Hello friends, I welcome you all to this new video. Today we are going to talk about Tekken Reviews, UK reviews of the United Kingdom. Is this a legit website or a scam? Friends, this is not our website. If you've never ordered anything from here, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer to this question, should you buy from it or not. If you've experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end. I will share the way to get your money back. So guys, Tekken is a website where you can order all sorts of your electronic and IT items from. Like you can see here, the products are uh, a Philips TV or a PSP or all kinds of gadgets and everything else. I think the prices are a little too much overpriced with considerable amounts of discount. And okay, let's come down to the payment part here. How can you pay for your order? So your options are PayPal, credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and direct e-banking. And let's find out if they have anything about the shipping. Uh, Here is the shipping section. So, how long does it take the delivery to reach your doorstep? Well, they haven't really mentioned anything about the shipping time or exact delivery date. They've just mentioned vaguely about it depends on your location and on customs, traffics, accidents, weather, etc. So they've just left it on that note and nothing else. Before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. So, this has been tagged with HTTPS, the site, which is why you can say that it is quite safe to visit. And this site was created on 8th May 2010, so it's not a new website, guys, and it must have acquired quite a considerable amount of reputation on the internet. And come here to the downmost part, and then you can see uh, the about the website in the About Us page. So you can see here that they've taken you to a completely new, different website, and this can't be a good thing, guys, because we can't exactly trust this site now. So that was about the page, and I've already mentioned the product and the prices and everything. So come down here and let's see if we can find any contact address. Yes, there is a contact address. It's based in Spain, but that's it. And I don't exactly see any email ID. Come here to the contact us region and let's find out if they have anything, any modes to contact them. Okay, so there's no email ID or a phone number for contacting these people. And about the social media presence, we have their handles on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Okay, so next come to the return and refund policy. What is their return policy? So it has to be within 30 days of your receipt of the product, after which they are not going to consider any product. They will refund your item if it is applicable. And let's see. Okay, you have to send your package to this address here, after which they are going to return your, provide you with a refund. So, guys, after checking on the internet, we have come to know that there are mixed reviews. Some customers are not satisfied with the products, whereas some other people are. So, one customer was specifically not satisfied with their product because they haven't exactly received their product as altogether. So that's a bad thing about this website. And I don't see any content detailing or spelling errors or duplication of any content as well. So, after carefully analyzing all the pros and cons of the website, we've come to the conclusion that it can be a suspicious website, guys. We do not advise you to put your money here right now at this moment. But then Do your own research. This analysis was based on our research totally. So make your own research before putting your money anywhere on the internet. And if you've experienced any fraud related issues about this website, then check out our links in the description area and comment your thoughts about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to our channel today. Be informed and be safe.